Hello Green Thumbs! Welcome back to the Sustainable Green Patch, your ultimate guide to no-dig gardening. Today, we're embracing the autumn spirit by growing pumpkins in our no-dig garden. Let's get into this festive and fun gardening adventure. No-dig gardening helps us to maintain healthy soil structure and promote a thriving ecosystem. This is perfect for growing big, beautiful pumpkins. Pumpkins love rich, well-drained soil, making them ideal for our no-dig approach. Start by laying down a thick layer of cardboard or even sheets of newspaper to suppress weeds. Then add a layer of compost. Make this at least 6 inches deep. This nutrient-rich lasagna layering will provide the perfect foundation for our pumpkins. Pumpkins can be started indoors 2 to 3 weeks before the last frost or directly sown in the garden. Plant seeds about 1 inch deep and 3 to 5 feet apart to give them plenty of space to spread. Choose a sunny spot for your pumpkins as they thrive in full sunlight. Water them thoroughly after planting. Water regularly. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Mulching also helps keep the soil warm, which pumpkins love. Pumpkins are ready to harvest when they have reached their full color and the skin is hard. Use a sharp knife or pruners to cut the stem, leaving a few inches attached to the pumpkin. Let your harvested pumpkins cure in a warm, sunny spot for about 10 days to enhance their storage life. That's how you grow pumpkins in a no-dig garden. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Sustainable Green Patch for more gardening tips. And leave a comment with your favorite pumpkin recipe. Happy gardening, and remember to grow sustainably.